Yeah, money. Follow, 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 follow you the go. Exactly what will happen if you apply in today's company, guys. There is no capping here, no jokes here. We even had to try it out. Myself and my team had to try it out, and this is the mail we got. Yes. So, guys, I am not joking. This is something that you can do, and you don't even need an experience. So, this particular company is sponsoring people to the US now. They are recruiting international candidates for vacancies like midwifery, surgeons, doctors, nursing assistant. And remember, don't forget, nursing assistant is still the same thing as healthcare assistant in the UK. All right. So, guys, we are going to go through this process together. Yes, because it legit die. So we are going to go through this process together and make sure that you are looking through your screen to the very end. That is the only thing you owe me. And another thing you owe me is to like this video. Just like it because the excitement in my body is too exciting. Hey, you don't understand me. All right, so guys, let's continue. The good thing about this nursing assistant is that you don't need experience because the company is willing to train you. All right. So just apply with the step by step process I'm going to be showing you right here on my screen. That's why I'm standing up because the urgency and the sweet body they sweet me. So just make sure you apply. So even if you are saying, okay, I'm not a midwife, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a surgeon, I'm not a certified pharmacist, I'm not a certified lab scientist or med lab scientist, forget those ones. These ones you can use your nursing assistant route to jackpot. So now I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process. But before then, if you just see my face for the first time, don't mind me. Oh, I'm just excited. This is not how I used to be normally. My name is Ella Uche, and first of all, on this channel, I want you to understand that we are one family. We help each other. That's the idea of this family, to support each other, go through the jackpot route, anything that will make you travel easily, affordably, and also stress-free. Because me, I don't like stress in my life. So anything that brings stress, I try to avoid it. So guys, that's what we do on this channel. You might want to subscribe now. Yes, because on this channel, correct updates now they bring. Do you understand me? And for my returning subscribers, I love you guys now. I don't need to even tell you guys, but I love you. I love your support. I love your shares, your comments, everything that you guys have been doing. Thank you so much, guys. Do not forget that today is our day 2 of the challenge. Day 2 of 10 of jobs with massive visa sponsorship. From my TikTok to my YouTube shorts, everywhere on my social media platforms, I'm going to be sharing with you jobs with visa sponsorship to the UK. Yes, that's what we are doing this week. My followers asked for it, and that is why I am doing it. So do well to follow me on my social media platforms. But TikTok, it is hot for there because that's where I give daily updates. Like anything I get immediately, I'm posting it there because YouTube is not a place you want to bore people with so much information. So do well to follow me on my TikTok and make sure that you are following me bomba to bomba. Turn on your notification bell so that you get correct updates as it is hot. All right, guys, let's go into this. Let me not waste your time. Let's go. So, guys, the star company for today is MedPro International. All right, as you can see, they help people to migrate to US. And let's have a little read about them. Since 2006, MedPro has helped a lot of people to migrate through the healthcare route, and they've gotten a wonderful career in US. Okay, it says we understand serious thought and dedication required for foreign educated healthcare professionals to choose a new life in the US, all right? And this is why MedPro International employ expert teams to ensure the professional and personal success of each of their candidates, all right? So guys, I wouldn't want us to you could read this up because if we keep doing this, the video is going to be too long. I just want to show you what everything entails before we start our application. You can see the number of awards they have gotten. Can you see? Can you see this part I am highlighting now? Largest staffing firm in the US. See this one, 2003. Fastest growing staffing firm. Can you see this? So these are things about them. All right. So Now, if you want to apply, these are the vacancies that they collect: healthcare facilities, certified nursing assistants, medical technologies, registered nurses, doctors, those are things that they employ. So it's either you apply from here. So if you want to join them, apply today. Now let's do this. Are you ready? Now let's go. So this is the three vacancies available at the moment. So we want to start our application process because you don't need experience. Because for this you need experience, and for this you also need experience. But this you don't need experience. So let me teach you how to do this and how we got that mail. All right. So guys, we are going to fill this up now. Let's fill it together. Firstly, I want you to understand that the name and arrangement of how your international passport is NIN, birth certificate, that is exactly the way you're going to be arranged in it. Don't say because your name is your name, you just arrange it any way you like. For example, my name is Emanuela Chisom Uche, and that's the same way I'm going to arrange it. First name, middle name, and last name. Don't go and jump and start arranging rubbish. All right. So that's what you should do. Now, my computer auto filled this. All right, so you're going to choose the contact mode, as in how you do you want them to contact you. So me, I'll choose email, and this is my email address. Now for phone number, I want to use my Nigerian number. So you scroll down. Let's drop down here. You're going to go down until you see the country of your choice. If it's Ghana, Gambia, anywhere. Now, but mine is Nigeria, so I'm going to fill this up now. So now I filled my number. Now down to the WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp number, tell them yes. Of course, everybody has WhatsApp these days. So you fill that same number again on your the WhatsApp place. So you scroll again and look for the name. Now, where are you currently living? I don't want to say I'm in the UK. All right. I'm going to say, because of the purpose of this video now. I'll say I'm in Nigeria. Where were you born? I'm on Nigeria name now. So I was born in Nigeria. So look for your country. And are you working currently in a professional area? For the purpose of this video, yes. Now, you can choose to say no. You can say yes. But as person wey sabi, you say yes. All right. Now, you can say clinic, health, home care, hospital, anything, anyone you want to choose, you can choose. All right. Now, let me say hospital, for example. And they will ask you the area of assignment. You can choose any of this. So this is the services under hospital. All right. I'm not a medical person, but okay, let me just say women's services. All right. Women's services, that covers midwifery, everything and everything. Now, the year of your high school graduation, this is the year you wrote your WAEC. That particular year that is on your WAEC certificate, that is what you're going to put here. The year that you have on your WAEC certificate. Now, number of experiences, I will say 0 to 2 years. All right. Now, the next question is, how did you hear about us? Like now, you're hearing from YouTube, okay? You choose YouTube. Now, this resume, this particular place, this resume is the place you insert your CV. Remember, you are giving them a standard CV. Don't put up anything and send to them. CV is what sells you. I keep saying it on my video. People that know me knows that I will say this all the time. CV sells you out to the person that you are applying to. So if you don't have a good CV, now is the right time to go and make a good CV. Okay? And if you want us to help you make a CV, click on the link on my description box. We will help you create CV that you can use to submit. All right. I also have a video about how to create a standard UK CV. So any of the services that you want, either from the video or from my team, whatever you want, do it as long as you have the right and the standard CV. Okay. So now let's choose file. Now, before you choose your file, remember that you have to save it with a name you can remember, so you don't give a wrong documents. For example, let me open this so you people will see what I mean. Now I have so many files here. All right, I have so many files. Now I would say, okay, this is the one I want to use. This is my CV. I have so many CVs here. So you open it and it will fill up here. All right. So on this place where we have the official, unofficial transcript, you're supposed to put in your cover letter. So you're supposed to have cover letter already on your um laptop or phone or whatever. So I'll pick this one and open. Once you open, it comes up here. And now this is the submit button. But go back to everything and cross check. Make sure that you put in the right things that you're supposed to put in before you click on the submit button. All right. So now this is what you have been waiting for. That's submit. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the message you will get after you have sent in that application. All right. And I wish you all the best. Make sure, like I said, your cover letter is authentic and your CV is very chim chim. All right. So can you see that this process is not even hard? That is basically all you need to do. And tada, I wish you the best of luck. As I got my mail, you will get your own. So, guys, I wish you the best of luck, and I'm hoping that you come back here and type on the comment section. I got it. I hope you get that email too, and I hope you'll be able to come back with good news at the end of the day. The idea now is this year, 2025, everybody is jackbarring to the place of their own destination. All right. And don't forget that you must give them a killer CV. Yes, your UK standard CV can also play in this one. You can also submit your UK standard CV for this application. All right. So, guys, that is basically all you need to do. And I want you to know that I also influence for brands. So, just in case you're watching this video and you want us to collaborate, you can send me an email on elauchegroup@gmail.com. It's going to be on the screen too. All right. So that's basically everything I have for you today. And I hope you're happy. Please don't forget to like this video. You owe me that. Oh, you owe me that because you will see me in your dream. If you don't like this video, you just turn and see Ella Uche behind you. You will turn and see me there. So like this video. It's free so that people will see this thing now. You have to help the algorithm so that it can take it to people that need this. The only way you can do it is to like this video so that all of us go to help ourselves. All right. So guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Do not forget to be the best you can always be. I love you guys. Mwah.